Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to check if someone viewed your Instagram profile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you've logged into your Instagram account, head over to your profile and go to the hamburger menu and scroll down until you see an option account type and tools under your insight and tools section. Here, all you have to do is switch to professional account. Otherwise, Instagram will not allow you to see who has checked your Instagram profile. And once you have turned on your professional account, Instagram will allow you to see accounts that have reached to your account and that have been engaged with your account and all of it. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.